Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Bean Envy Handheld Milk Frother. You can get this product on Amazon for about $14. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality product and I like that it comes with a stand. The milk frother works with two standard size batteries, which are not included. This time I'm frothing warm half and half. Using the milk frother is very easy and frothing only takes a few seconds. I got a really nice froth for my coffee in less than 15 seconds. Now I'm frothing cold oat milk. The cold oat milk froth is not as good as the warm half and half froth, but I still have a nice froth for my coffee. I tested the milk frother for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very good product. I always get a nice froth and it's also very easy to clean. So if you are looking for a handheld milk frother with stand, which is easy to use and easy to clean, I would recommend the Bean Envy Handheld Milk Frother. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.